We'll put a hashtag mikemerone. See you guys later. Be safe. Don't watch where you're going. Don't fall down the hill. Here we have people going up the waterfall, which is they're gonna have a problem coming down, these two. So we gotta help them down. Maybe we need a rope. Tell them to bring a rope.
Oh yeah, I'll throw one up.
Whoops. This shit's slippery, guys. I mean, it's really fucking slippery. See the clay, guys? Where are you guys going?
No, if you can get down to the waterfall, under it, or you can go above it.
You can, which way did you guys go?
We haven't. We're waiting.
You're waiting?
We're waiting for our dad. It's a little slippery. So.
Slippery ain't the
But
word.
I've seen people go both ways. Yeah.
So they can get to the waterfall that way, they get to the waterfall this way.
I think they said up here you might be able to go on top of the waterfall.
Okay.
But this one they said you go underneath it.
Okay.
And people came from there and said that.
So you've had it first hand from the people?
From somebody who did it.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Seattle, Washington.
Hi, Seattle, Washington. Say hello to Seattle. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Where are you guys from?
They're from Sweden.
Oh, wow.
I live on the island.
Oh, cool.
But it's fun. But
You're
you're going above the waterfall?
Yep.
Okay, they're going above. I'm going to go fall down the hill. I think that's stupid. But they don't listen. The Swedes don't listen. No, seriously, the Swedes are great people, but they don't listen. They wait till something blows up, then they do something about it. But I didn't say that. They've decided to listen to the Puerto Rican Mike and come back down and go down and just hold on. Next time we got to bring ropes. I think if we brought ropes. Yeah, they have to let. No, they have to. What I personally think is, I know that this has been like this for 50 years. I think they could do something a little bit better.
Yeah.
When someone falls and gets killed, Sarah, just be very careful, because if you fall, that's the end of you.
It takes one rain, Michael, and then it's changed. The environment changed all the time because over the rain.
Well, Lena, I almost lost you just there.
Yeah.
So hold on to the ropes, because this would be a great.
Boing, boing, boing.
This would be a good YouTube video if you do fall. So don't fall. No, I'm just joking. You have to stay in school and not joke around, because I joke around too much. But when you look as good as I do at 53, then you could joke around until you start looking your age. Now, how old are you? 7?
Almost next weekend.
All right.
On Monday.
Happy birthday. You're going to be here for Puerto Rico?
No. I'm leaving the day before my birthday.
Did you stay in Fajardo? Where did you guys stay?
We're down in Moscow.
Did you go to Coabra?
No, we were in the other side of the island. For the
Okay.
first half of our trip.
Okay. But that's it. If you come back,
Whoa.
if you come back, go to Coabra next time.
Yeah.
Yes, because that'll be much better. You'll enjoy it, and she'll love it. Coabra is beautiful, and then you stay in Fajardo, where you're next to the rainforest and you're next to the Fajardo. Coabra is beautiful. It's an island in the middle of the earth, and it's everything's starting to die around it. So it's gonna maybe, by the time she's my age, 20 years from now, it's all gonna be dead. Yeah. So you see it now while she's young. Now, if you still could go, if you're still here for a couple more days,
We talked about maybe we can go there.
Yeah.
you could. They have boat trips from Fajardo.
Okay.
And I'll see if you're here. Oh, it's me.
Oh, really?
These Swedes are crazy. See, I told you the girls could do it, Tobias. You should have said they couldn't do it. Are you going swimming, Sarah? Slippery as shit.
Look at them up there. They're just,
Look at them up top there, honey. He's gonna. What is he doing, that guy? He's pretty. That's not too bright. Here we have our first victim.
I hope it's not something like that.
He's gonna jump. He's an idiot. Don't do it. Record him. This might be a good YouTube picture.
Yeah, let's do that.
You're gonna have
Well,
tough.
You look push me if you fall, so be careful, please.
Get out of my
Not only
way.
you.
Get out of me.
It's not only you.
No, yo, I'm gonna push you. Take me with me. You're coming with me.
You have to,
Down the hill. You're coming with me.
Okay, I'm moving down. Or why did you get cold?
I want you to. You're not coming down here, are you?
Yeah, yeah. So why not moving? So I can.
You sure you can handle it?
Okay. You're the one that is slippery more than me.
I want to get a picture of all you guys. No, because I'm holding your bags. Don't come this way. This way's not good. I'm not going in. I was at that.